Spanish origin C-295, a proven military transport aircraft, is now being assembled in India under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. On 10th June, the Indian Air Force celebrated the maiden test flight of the first ever Made in India C-295. A landmark moment, it marks the start of making big transport aircraft in India. In total, the Indian Air Force is set to procure 56 such aircraft, of which 40 will be assembled in India, whereas the remaining 16 will be supplied from Spain in flyaway condition. The cost of procurement is expected to be around 21,935 crore rupees. The Indian Air Force, in a post on X, congratulated the entire team behind the successful maiden flight of the first India-made C-295. The Indian Air Force hailed India's growing aerospace capabilities, saying that the achievement reinforces India's growing aerospace capabilities and underscores the Indian Air Force's commitment to fostering indigenous defense capability under the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. At a production facility in Vadodara, Gujarat, Tata Advanced Systems Limited, in cooperation with Airbus, is engaged in assembling them in India. In total, 40 such aircraft will come out of this facility. A versatile aircraft, it can carry a payload of up to 9 to 9.25 tons, depending on configuration. It has a range of approximately 5,000 kilometers and endurance of more than 11 hours, giving long on-station time for surveillance and patrol roles. Its typical maximum cruise speed is around 260 knots, with cruising up to about 25,000 feet and a service ceiling near 30,000 feet. Manufactured by Airbus Defence and Space, the C-295 aircraft is a versatile and reliable tactical transport plane which has become a cornerstone of military operations worldwide. It can carry up to 70 to 71 troops in high-density configuration. It can also carry roughly 40 to 50 fully equipped paratroopers for airdrop missions. C-295 can take off and land from runways of roughly 670 meters or less in some configurations, allowing operations from soft, rough and semi-prepared strips close to the front lines or disaster areas. In Indian service, the C-295 is intended to replace the older Avro 748 fleet and strengthen tactical airlift, logistics to remote areas and special missions. The Indian versions will be equipped with an indigenous electronic warfare suite and will be assembled in India under the Tata Airbus program, supporting local capability development. From providing tactical and cargo support to carrying out surveillance operations and supplying humanitarian aid to performing other tasks, C-295 is designed to meet the diverse need of modern militaries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Vadodara plant, from where the plane conducted a test flight in October 2024 alongside his Spanish counterpart Pedro Sanchez.